Hello everyone, it's David Zai again with the Zai Mortgage Team, and today we're going to talk about a topic that I frequently get calls on. So how do I get cash out on a property that is already free and clear? Well, we're here to talk about all the different options and all the different programs that we have that are available. So option number one, you can obviously go to any bank or credit union and ask for a line of credit or a home equity line or just an equity line. The thing about those is it is easy, it is convenient, however it is typically not amortized and the rates do adjust after certain periods of time. You would have to check with your local lending institution to find out about those equity lines of credit. The second option is we can always look at conventional and FHA financing. The reason that I clump those into one is that they follow pretty similar guidelines. So you can have an appraisal done, and if the appraisal comes in higher, you can pull out certain percentages, typically around 75 to 80% cash out, and it's a pretty seamless transaction. The reason that I'll put those two in one is because there is an opportunity that you'll also get an appraisal waiver. With the rising housing market right now and home values, you may be able to get the cash out without having to do an appraisal. So make sure when you are going through the process that your lender is running your automated underwriting findings through Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac to make sure that you get the most favorable findings. The third option is a VA loan cash out refinance. And the reason that this is on a category of its own is because you cannot get cash out on a paid off free and clear property. So if it is free and clear, there will have to be a minor lien on the property, whether it's a little bit left on your mortgage balance or maybe even an equity line. So as long as we are paying something off, we can acquire cash out. Certain lending institutions will let you get 90% cash out, and certain lending institutions will give you up to 100% cash out. We can offer both options here at the Zai Mortgage Team. The third option is going to be a little more, and you guys have heard me touch on like the non-conforming route. So we are in some challenging times, with cost of material, cost of food, cost of everything going up. So there are some, declining income issues possibly. There are other ways that are making cash out refinancing challenging. The non-conforming options that we have available to us are, we have bank statement loans. So we can look at your deposits and not your tax returns and use that average of income and get you cash out that way. We can also do an asset depletion. So what that is if you have a lot of assets, we can also pull out cash if you have enough to cover the home. The third option is we have a no doc option. So there's truly no income and very little asset verification. All you would need is to get an appraisal, get some clean title work. These transactions, because there's such a high demand for cash out, are taking a little longer, but we've established some of the best relationships with some of the corporate big players, and we're able to get these loans done typically in a more timelier fashion. So if you have any questions on how to get cash out on your property that is paid out and I haven't addressed it in this video, please feel free to reach out to me and my team at 757-478-8493. You can also click the link below to apply, and this link right here is going to be my calendar link so that you can set up a client consult for 15 minutes with me or my team, and I would love to help you get cash out on your property that's paid off. And once again, this is David Zai with the Zai Mortgage Team.